Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tabe Comfort. I'm a lifestyle blogger and a motivational speaker. I live in Paris. I'm a French citizen, origin from Cameroon. Please may you subscribe to my channel for those who are subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. For those who are not yet subscribed, please may you subscribe. Today's video we are going to prepare this healthy drink, and the ingredients we have banana, as you can see here. We have papaya or pawpaw as they call it in Cameroon, and we have orange. So we are going to cut the papaya, the orange and the banana, and we mix together and blend. Yes, this is the after result of it. After blending it, this is the drink, and we are going to pour it in our glass jar. Those are ice cubes that you see inside here. Yeah, that is our drink, very healthy drink. Please may you also try this at home, and you can add your ice cube for it to be cold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.